You mentioned 3D printing. I wonder, is there something in 3D printing that could help to alleviate supply issues, or will there still be
Sure.
such a material issue that it may just not be a factor?
I think it's going to help quite a bit.
Oh, okay.
One of the downsides of 3D, yeah, part of the downside of 3D printing has been its speed. You can only make it parts a few at a time, or well, one at a time per machine, actually. And that means the cost is high. But if we're moving into a world where the mass manufacturing model is collapsing for various reasons anyway, all of a sudden that becomes less of a concern. In addition, one of the really big advantages of 3D printing is a complex part that if you do it from the old die cast or injection molding style, might be like 15 pieces. You can do that all with one run of a 3D printer. And so instead of 30,000 parts for a car, a 3D printed or contributing with 3D printing to a car is going to shrink the number of parts by at least 2/3, which should be a huge help for anyone in that space.